How to fix front camera not working in Android problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the settings of your device and then tap on apps by scrolling down and then tap on manage apps and just wait until all your app list loads on your screen over here. So just scroll down and tap on camera option over here. So make sure that you tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen and then clear cache. And then go to the app permissions over here and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. After that, go back and then make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might fix your front camera not working in Android problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.